Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Visit. This is the third episode of our Temu viral product series, and today we are unboxing a car toy, which is a solar powered fighter jet model. Let's see what's inside. Let's open up the box and see what we have here. Inside, we got the fighter jet, some diffuser sponge rings, and a bit of paperwork. Let's get everything out and take a closer look at the toy. Now let's get it out of this plastic. Here it is, the toy in all its glory. The design is sleek and shiny, and you can see the solar panel integrated right into the base. The build quality is solid. Now check out the solar panel. This thing is powered entirely by the sun. No batteries, no charging. Just place it in the sun and you're good to go. The detailing on the jet is also pretty impressive. Look at the shiny finish and the sleek lines. We got the bottom part here, where we can add a smelling diffuser. Just place the diffuser sponge ring in, and we got a cool little air freshener which is working in solar power. Let's take a closer look. You can see the sticking part on the toy that holds everything together. The design is super simple and it feels sturdy. Nothing about this feels cheap. Check out the propellers. They spin easily and smoothly. Now let's see this bad boy in action. Now let's take it on the road. We're going to assemble the jet in the car, placing the diffuser sponge ring into the bottom part. This little setup is perfect for your car. You get a toy, air freshener, and a solar power fan all in one. Now we are going to stick the jet on the dashboard. It's really easy to set up, and once it's in place, the sunlight will power it. This is the perfect car accessory, functional and fun. And here it is, sitting on the dashboard, soaking up the sun and doing its thing. You can see the solar power jet moving all without a single battery. It's a perfect addition to any car. A cool gadget that's both fun and eco-friendly. If you're looking up for a unique toy or a car accessory, this one's a winner. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe and ring the bell for more cool products in our Temu viral product series. See you in the next one, guys.